abusuafo ɛyɛ osofo ahabe wisu amanoma hu specifically dipa mekanase osofo wisu bempa na ne boys no ne nkora no ababaye video bi na video no babaye ye no afi na apia biblika ebetumbo ase no makono 1 by 1 mama omumu aye na mesremo ani die mu die be free menuma babia no don't get hurt na epacho mama kwan why na minye video no se de sesi fata what I say Juliana Asanso mema akwaba ado akosi odame mema akwaba nyankopon hira mu nyina entino se de video bi se akobia pacho share video na invite menim se ade enchen de na so share na invite do betimi asore ba behwe bia no obaba behwe na abusua me makoda me ba bidi me dwene me ho mete ya na se gbogba kofo bi bo me puma insuo eto insuo mura insuo to mete ya na se kra bi ka se bi kra be se insuo bi kra na be ya be se pokra na ayiri na eye gbogba me ko hwe ya se gbogba ya ekoso yi eye kwame amo na ba ko bi kan se fe ne siama na ba ko bi susu kan wa ye fe no ayi krobia hu se nkwasiafo imiensa abetra social media so no mo kansem na nsem o mo ka de adutwam na me ba na mabebo o mo nsem no na me bo o mo nsem no wiya na mama o mo muaye na ma wiya ma tiesi wo wusu be pa no wankasa no amusu o sega mi adwuma e wo Ghana ha oni pa bi antumi nkankire no abusia tie sabio mpreduasa ya modam ne anya nkwasiafo ene gu Ghana ena sabi yenye se bia ya nifrafo obi ntimi nkwawi na moko ama ponchani enti hu fifiri de me karamati ase obi anwi na moko ama ponchani enti hu fifiri enti sabio wusu bempa ya me bone a na no nkyere se e wo se me kwa attack obi foforo because wusu bempa is a special man na asofo bebrebe omo Ghana adenti na debi na me de wusu bempa o osofo wusu bempa o osofo wusu bempa o osofo wusu bempa there are so many wusu bempa na ono osofo wusu bempa na wosa wa akora bia ye fe no wusu bempa anu wode den nam enne na mba be kire kwa ya branch fa so wuye afena mba be kire ma kire mu amomo hu kwa ya branch fa so wuye na ma kire ba be sisu se eye mi case ya branch ne ye ready se opese obabonten wode no kora ni nyina babonten ene mo hwe da invite ya branch ne se wombra nkan na omne ne ska bibia na bibia tuntwa na omo enpe bibi enfansha nsem abrante ne bedu nkra no abrante na wu adenti na abrante na ye video ade ato ho se miwu a mumusa owusu bempa na Ghana ban ene mpanifo apolisifo ene asojafo omo report me video no misram omo report me video no with all due respect misram mo love no so na mo share video no mame but oba bo love no so me share video no why omo report me video no omo start a report video no and all the institutions here omo Ghana mpanifo wo Ghana abrante de wo abusia wo sese mi wu a mumusa owusu bempa adenti na yen frɛ wo owusu bempa na yen kwashen adenti na yen frɛ wo owusu bempa na yen kwashen onipa ne sese mi wu a mumusa owusu bempa miso me ya we nipa ne me kasai ye betu aba je me phones e de akọ cyber unity akwa check se I am pass owusu ene me kasai na owusu akansem bia kire me ye betu aba je me phones ene me akasa sa garis no so di owusu bempa sa eye den abranti ni free mu ene ye duru a e ho duru a obete ho nsem bolavo no so ne share video no na yenko yanim ene omupro atenga ebeyire atenga ebeyire atenga Tiseme no kasa Kwame Amoah say pi aba abonten a woye dede na me be bɔ Kwame Amoah videos ni nyina sabo mo kan me wi a maba omo papa no so me call one after the other ene me ne mo na wa ha ene me ye video nko amako 3 ene me ni abre pa enti before then no before say be you know mo ma yen kɔ Kwame Amoah ne video no mo be ye no so na afi yen hwade wa Kwame Amoah ababe video e de tia odifo biblika But say akora so awo this year likunda bahun montage ohusu bempa wa hamame ene obete bobole bobo se omuso mkwako case me twen wo asiafo mumuni police station twen wo mo police funina bude mumu yekotie Kwame Amoah omu video no mbaye na omu ene munti bi pacho yiwasumo me with all due respect yiwasum pa abusia na wo de judge from the omaka ene de beba be kan sisi and judge from there what you say oma yengogo tie Kwame Amoah video no mbaye no pacho with all due respect wo de yiwasum ne tie video ni ye pa na wan kasa judge it yourself na ka chebe say we mu eye asofo these people they call themselves pastors omune ewinta sem kwasi ampanyin no yanko
mane na so da yega se bofofo ne beba be yi akere ne se o me papa chewa e mane ma church member hu se wa be papa oh I'm telling you see who abrantie we se ba bi papa o be so be e mane try je for yesa keka na e mane try ka wonu wi ase se bitu I know can we be destroyer I tell you yet so be keka no rough they don't try
apia bebreka bo hu abrantie ya woda so yi abrantie ya na no ekoyi ni ka wono de ode ani ensade ani a atrade nton ani a emu ade ahomaso honhom abawura no a na no kopaaye ekokasaaye editi asante hene otufo ote kokoso na eneyi na ni hu ayesesa bi one azuma akojira boxing ring mu amayabuni yesi se oni mowu a no ahwenda se nei bompese wani hu ebeye se dia won kwan na akawasa asi so nyina no hwe ena wan ba rebu usu be pabiem sede na nsen okohia no na okobe no several gene number no ma wono enye eda etwato sabio wo mu de wo mu ntim wo mu nkaw na nso sede enye wotumfo te kokoso na ebo dia na yamu so ono ena so ma ya me kobo abrantie na emom eye mfofo wo mu do wotumfo na omudo asanteman ena sebe de omunsa akoki ka branti enei ohwe eye dot yi aye na otumfo ye edema eye asante ema wonye ne ba bi kwa ohwe wo mo na omo boban video no bi kura na daso ye enei na omo pam obi so won firi boyi ohwe kura no a bebre no akura enya asantefo sabiu na nso so wo manya asante hodo enya wotumfo hodo ede omo wasi wabo afode ede ama asanteman saa na ezo hunu se rebo uspepa oyi owadofo sabio ebiwo krum ha entiene papa ni ntin enkaw na nso wo de wusu mu ade mfari ade ahantan honhom ani nso ade honhom dwe honhom ana trese nei abawura mu obi ntimi hunu se odai table na aso si apamo ma sufisio se wo fi adwane na asaw breko pe wo evidence abede obi ko court ono ani eso wo evidence dia ani efa ko court ni pa kro ko damu a wo si wo tibi da abetra social media no so sienso how sienya wudan yi enti wo mo ka kire wo se nyankopon kura firi soro eba no be ka kire wo se apia yankomre go wo be pako na sa akopa ne chobi ma ka se nyankopon se wo nko ne mu fashe wutirimu se die nsuo ye ne sa pepepe na wi betimi aye wo mo de wo mo ne mu wo be power dafo a ebia na do fu ya ko hye wo be bi ne nsa akeka wo obekai said the two abranti ebia to pen ene odi kosewi ekira odi kosewi ene we na me yakobo wo ekira we na me yakobo wo o nse da hu nipa potia o me yakobo wo said the abranti ene yabuni abranti ene nse da hu nipa potia o mo bu no ofise nye otumfo na sumo obi de sabiu wɔn nkɔbo ɛyɛ abrante ɛne abusua tɔfo korɔbea tɔfo nana kwamia mo twa sɛ adeɛ no apia bɛyɛ yɛ no wɔn gyina ho a wɔn nhyɛ dante aseɛ ɛna wɔn te aseɛ so a wɔn ntumi nwene ho ɛma no ɛnyɛ dɛ ɛnyɛ yie enti sɔfo nana kwamia mo deɛ wɔso wɔ ka kyerɛ apia straight sɛ ma ne mmɔ ne ho musuo sunne ɛmfa nhyɛ n'adwene mu sɛ ɔbɛbɛ awurɛ bu spam adae onim na ɔho papa na bɔntere na wɔtrae sɛ wɔba ne nkyɛn wɔtrae ɛne na nyɛ obi ne kumantwi bɔɔsi akona na sɛ biro ɔde ne ti agye akyerɛba na abusua mete ha miimagyen sɛ apia paa ne ho yɛ sɛ abrante a miimagyen adeɛ kapia ka ho bɛyɛ hu sɛbi apia paa tie ne paa apia de sɛ I don't wish me wish sɛ saa deɛ ne nto no dabi me wish sɛ ene saa deɛ ne nto apia kura nanso apia nneɛma bi hɔ a ɔyɛ gyae me a mete ha me hu so wodi matam daa na sɛ wobɛtena wɔ sɛ Friday no so da bɛyɛ wobɛtena wobɛdi matam a so bɛdeɛ sɛ wanka sɛ atam de di nkum nipa me sɛ menya ka asɛm no maka awie wopɛ di matam ma adeɛ nkyɛ wopɛ ayɛ bɛdɛ ne wɔ ho time course titiri kura mabɔ bra sɛ bi yi sika ma ɔtɔ aduane di kura no wodi wɔ matam na nka mpɛ sɛ me a mete ayi a medi company yi mini hwee megye daama atusrɛ megye daama abɔ daama so de ayɛ adeɛ mini kapere enti me wobɛdi matam a ɛnyɛ news abusi mu wura me hwɛ video no emra nansa ne bɛkɔ no abra yɛ kɔpo abranteɛ no abrante abrante awode hwɛ video abra ne yɛ abranteɛ ba me
abusia mo kasa kakra wa na yɛntoa video no so de di nkan masem nie abrante a yakobo no ya omode toto meme apia bibiri kan ho sɛ kyena bi so obi de ne sakeka kekamia minkan hu sɛ enye wotumfo na soma ya ema yakobo sa abrante no nti sɛ me so obi de sakeka kekamia mi hu sɛ enye wo husu bempa ene soma ya sɛ yamra mebumi nti abusuam ha ma me kwana min di o matam kakrawate pamachawai atiefo wai Usu bempa ene ne saa ne boys nyina mo yɛ nkwasiafo ene agyimifo ene emmoa me kase so bi usu bempa no ene ne mo yɛ nkwasiafo mo yɛ agyimifo na mo saa yɛ mmoa na ene sɛ abrantie ya okodi wotufo osetutu wote kokɔso e kan yɛ boni ne aboye mo ase asantema nyina yɛgya baako pɛ na onkwaso baabi a obi a onkwaso what you say abrante no otumfuo nkan no otumfuo wontin no woni otumfuo eni banta woni otumfuo eni ntokwa woni otumfuo eni agreement na ontumi mpo eni otumfuo kwase ampani sa boy na ye bo no entimi ne otumfuo enya argument eya asante mra ne asante hyehyɛ sɛ wɔhene pɔntɔ fam a ye makafi for 3 days ena ya makafi for 3 days ya wada ifiada ene memeneda sɛ obi bia mpia abonten enkonkon ya kakabensem enkoye di opɛ enkoye bibia ɛwɔ abonten abrantie dawo from tetete wo bumra no so atime pia bonten fine fair be to it wo say pia bonten a no sa kwakwa to challenge abusia omo report me video no why mo share video na mo love no so o su bemba no nkra no mo pe video e meye mo bua kra video no meye me mo pa mo report me page ni 1 billion meye video no mo pa mo report page no mo report no 100 billion meye video no na saying omo de nsem bi batire banchire me na me be kam asem de to social media say menya evidence ya kire say sofu ohusu bempa woni Reverend Obofo wo mo ene hye me case no no mo share kire a omo bo pa and I said womu a man kofo esabi ekobo me adagya eribeto iwiase abontere ya gumi ho fi gumi ni mu ase reverend obofo baby o bia no oma ema me soso omeka ho asem tia na nkofo se ade ntina obofo de oni na tembie be ka de to wo me ka se me mamra ya adwuma no obofo obedi matem omeka hwe omesoso omeka hwe atase me ba so me be kire o man say eye attorney general and the advice by na advice ni mu no e kire say reverend obofo ene owusu bempa omo ene na hye ade na chi mi angasa so no me mahonyini ene me evidence bia me peke no police station time na yeko police ne ema me gitum say asem a attorney general afo ne kan eye no kore me be kan ye no omo ntumi ankwankwa attack attorney general because appear there a sin bia ni nanum ntia dia sabeke kaka nanum na ontumi nkaye na omo nim ntia omo they don't know the no na eno achi no kwame amomo sole betutuja e de asam kokokoko share eye maame ngege se maame ngege ena de information abrani ena me de jimi e ho na me busa me ho se afini me ho se owusu bempa na yes abone no ampa efri se mete ya isa wokase bakwakoye bone bi na me nimi mu pefe se me nkonkoye ya opa kode obeko kade obeka I am just waiting for you when you come nessa me nkonkoye ya na me wo bibia mpesa me de ye wa na me de ayew na kode dem nessa ma ye de a ene wo se me pe kwan papa bi faso na me ne wo kasa na akoma toyem na se achew pa bi kura be pa wa chew empata bi kura na me de amaw na bibia to aye de etwa na for the fact say wo wusu bempa ene ne nkraman no ekoko gina social media kakra say ai ayengege ena ama apia biblical information e dia fa wusu bempa ho ntine wo apia eye gogwagogwagogwagwa sa ade no so mpo no na nya ngege mpo de ma ngege fa awembre me ngege nka awenkyere me de waka bibia kyere me no me bonidin maami agrada me bonidin straight se maami agrada e ma me hunu pefe ma me tia se wo wusu bempa ene bone pa if we say owusu bempa ehye nkom se apia biblical be wuti se kraman ntina wo se ye bopa na ye kuma apia biblical ye bono ye pa de kromfu awiu na ye bono kuno na ye wuti se kraman aya de ababo bodi trimo kuno na confirm owusu bempa nkom sa wa hyade ato apia biblical so mabeka chem sa agrada na kaye se muna mbo ne pa obo fodin agrada obo fodin obo husu bempadin obo kanadi afripoku din obo ni patredin ena kire me apia biblical na de batumani ni patre ena obo mudin na de odi mu tintiman pa ohusu bempa agrada wonwe o the prison onwe na mo sign ni para me boni din ne ho akwa attack maame ngege enti asam no enye no kura ene ye kwa attack maame ngege ye dai bolavo no share video no na ye babo video bi wazia obati mu nsem asam no nya no kura o kwa attack maame ngege ye dai me beka se enye maame ngege ehwa ena musa dane mo ena mo kwa attack Jesus ahofe aye sofo ahofe ena owusu bempa ne nkura yi sa akotisi Jesus ahofe so ena no so gidi kodi di Jesus ahofe atem se ono ena abo me pa woni asofo bi ena abo me pa se me nkodi di owusu bempa atem efese owusu bempa ba be wura NDC mu asam so ntesa abusia na se owusu bempa nim se wanya bone ne wanya mfumso bi ade a areti na nani abre no ho adie be nti na nani abre no ho adie be nti na owusu bempa ni abre no ho abusuafo nim se mo nyina mo ya badwemba mo ya nyansafo ana mo wa because true talk you deal with only human beings not dogs yeni nyansafo de wo ma adwene mo do na wo ma adwene mo ko achiri eni deli wa da bia me ba be de owusu bempa ana mabodam boni be na owusu bempa de ayemi and the bia ba be de owusu bempa na mo so aye bibi dia me bo ho e ho na me bo di din no what you say tia busia Mami ngeke nka kyerɛ me. Ɔmfa information bi amrɛ me. Sɔfo Jesus ahofe. Bishop Stephen Akwasi Apia. Ɔnka kyerɛ me. Ɔno mpo na tumifo. Sɛ wosu bempa ye ni nua. To srɛ me. Sɛ mafa ne sɛ papa dia. Minja wosu bempa kyidie. Na ɔno abɛhwɛ no mu nkwan bafa so amuni wosu bempa bɛkasa. Na me ne ntam no asomdue bɛba. Obema ofosofo wuchi elekeboa prophet ene nakasa. Such a man. Na yenye adu ba chi na nim se bentoa abetena hodum ADD Jesus amofatem. Thinking say or na asoma me. Na yenye kwame amokwase ampanyini we say jimi ni boy we ya. Wono kwase we say awale kwa wantu bi anwale bi. Na ye wale man no na so ye wale man no so kwa na yire kwa ye sa awe no. Eme na awale na gu ama kwame amote we ne yire kwase ampanyini we. Wono susu di mi matem. Simifuo we say e bakura woni bi no ahwe no. No no to di matem. Na abusia omo saba ba yi video bi after be yi anu wie ye ka say Jesus awonfe onsoma me Bishop Stephen Akwasi Apia onsoma me no. Omo di video foforo asa ba. Na omo di video ne ba ye no. Ene enya kwase ampanyi bi te se entasem jimi ni boy bi on susu kumase o so ye blogger onu mpose e komo ne no onu na obefa me ye video na obefa na wo de akwakwa ye video akope coins akope di obedie ama wo su bempa so ama ne coins onu mpose e komo ne no na emu me apia biblika me teme ka papa mu ha me ye video yi yese me emu ne komo de me na me hia school fees e de kwakotua me ma akoma me ma me say hia me danka na me danka ewu me apia biblika me te hey awade ne me boafo abusia wona mama yenkokotie bolavo no share video no mama yenkokotie mama yenkokotie omo nsam no mo de bae no na me ma omo muaye ena me ye video makoma konko 3 videos no ombete se oluko ayegbe mo de mo nkotie omo nsam no
mane naso jayega se bofo fo ne beba be ya kire ne se o me papa chewa e mane ma church member hu se wa be papa. Oh, I'm telling you, see who abrantie we se ba bi papa o be so be e mane try je fe ya sanke kana e mane try da wonu wi ase se bitu I know can we be destroyer. I tell you yet some be can rough they don't try
apia bebreka wo hu abrantie ya woda so yi abrantie ya na no ekoyi nika wono de ode ani enso ade ani a atredi nton ani a emu ade ahomaso honhom abawura no a na no kopaaye ekokasaaye editi asantehene otufo ote kokoso na eneyi na ni hu ayessesabi oni azuma akugira boxing ring mu amayabuni yesise onimo wu a no ahenda se nei ompese wani hu ebeye sedi a won kwan na akawasa asisu nyina no he ena wan ba rebu su be abiem sede na nsen ukohia no na ukobe no sewo je ne number no ma wono enye eda etwatoɔ sabio wo mu de wo mu ntim wo mu nkaw nanso sede enye wotumfo te kokoso na na ebodi ane am mu so ɔno ena so ma ya me kobo abrantie na emom eye mfofo wo mu do wotumfo na omodo asanteman ena sebe de omonsa akoke ka abrantie enei ohe eye doti yi aye na no tumfo ye edema eye asante ema wonye ne ba bi kwa ohe wo mo na omo ban video no be kura na da so ye nei na omo pam obi so wo firi hoyi ohe kura no a bebre no akura enya asantefo sabio na nso so wo manya asante hodo enya wotumfo hodo ede omo wasi wabo afode ede ama asanteman saa na eso hunu se rebo ospepa hoyi owadofo sabio ebiwo krum ha entiene papa ni ntiu enkaw nanso wo de wo so mu ade mfari ade ahantan honhom ani enso ade honhom dwe honhom ana trese nei abawura mu obi ntimi hunu se wo dai tabo na aso si apamo ma school fees yo se wo fi aduane na asaw prekope wo se no evidence abi do obi ko court ono ani enso wo evidence dia ani efa ko court ni pa kura nkodamu a wo si wo ntimi da abetra social media no so se enso how se anya wudan yi enti wo mo ka kire wo se nyankopon kura firi soro eba no obeka kire wo se apia yan komre bo wo papa na sa akofa ne chobi ma ka se nyankopon se wo nko ne mu fashe wo tire mu se di enso ye ne sa pepepe e na wi betimi aye wo mo de wo mo ne mu wo be power dafo a ebia na do fu be ko se wo ba bi de ne nsa akeka wo obekai se de to abrant bi ebia to pen ene odi ko sewi ekira odi ko sewi ene wem na me yakobo wo ekira we na me yakobo wo o nse da hu ni papotia o me yakobo wo se de abrant ene yabuni abrant ene nse da hu ni papotia o mo bu no ofise nye otumfo na sumo obi de sabiu o mo nkobo eye abrant ene abusua to fo krobia to fo na kwam ya mo twa se ade no apia be ye no wo gine ho a omo nhyɛ da nte ase ana omo te ase so a omo ntimi nwene ho ema no enye de enye yie enti sofo na kwam ya mo de o so wo ka kire apia straight se mane mo ne hu musuo sunne emfa nhyɛ na adwum se obebe rebu musbem and hey onim no ho papa na bontere na wo try se wo ba ne nkyɛn wo try enye na nyobe ne kumantwi bo si akona na sabiu ode ne ti aje akyereba na abusu amete ha mi imagine sabia pan hu ya sabranti ya mi imagine ade e ka bia ga hu be hu sebi de apia tisitie de pa apia de say I don't wish me wish say sa de nto no debi me wish say ene sa de nto apia kura na so apia ene me bi ho o ye chai me am tie he me husu di matem da na se obetra was Friday no se da bai obetra obedi matem
abusuafo samate ono odikama intro o ma intro ni wie ye ansana obebo video a kwame amono eyeye nti sisi no ohusu bempa yi ni kasamafo ne blogger onmo ne kasama no se ono de o ma bonte me kasa ne mum obema kwame amo ani edubachi krobia ani efene se siama ene ehwintasem se de dabia omo ye mpacho bolave no so ma me ne share video no mumbo love no suma me se de bia omo ye no na bibinia omo de omo ano nsababa betudwa de ohusu bempat be ka kire omo so omo meka no omo babeka na omo de me apia biblika ekototo abranti a se bi mpreduasa okasati a otekokoso ana bia obi ambo mu asema wo miura memto mi asantini me hine kase wiase nyina gina tum asantema yura bia obia nana onkwaso rade ma wonyi nche ma wontwamu wa ha ani akiri rade ma wonyi nche bebre de won betoto sa abrante no se if in case se enei so obi de ne sakeka kekame e wa abontia minka hu se de abrante na wakasati a otumfo osetutu otekokoso no yewura asante ba nyina wura wiase nyagina tum no se ebisa atomia minka hu se yewura otekokoso wankobo pa se yenkobo abrante no yewura otekokoso adofo ene bo abrante no na enti se nese ya bumia minka hu se ohusu bempa osofo ohusu bempa na dofo ena abumi na abusia ma me kwa kakra wana mindi o matam kakra wa mpa mchaw de dinkan awintasem ohusu bempa ono ne nkura ni nyina omoye nkwasiafo 100% minto sebe omoye chimfo omataba se omukura de omano kura beka we se kura no sebe mpreduasa eye chimisem eye mwasem eye fenimasem eye nkwasiasem to me osofo apia biblika and to all my lovers and to all my followers de dinkan abrante ya okokodidi wote kokoso atami sebe mpreduasa wote kokoso nyane bone wote kokoso ensuma bloggers ema inkodidi abrante atam wote kokoso enkobo blogger bia pa se onkodidi abrante atam wote kokoso enkasa entia abrante ya sebe okodidi wote kokoso no atam wɔte kɔkɔɔ so emi na no enka hwe enkyere obia ne maame afirim ya so atase ye na sante hima baby obi arade fa de currency wa firim ani braba asante amamre mu no yesise to no se ma obi ampie nansa ya wada efiada memene da aye de baba yayi no obi ampie da ya baba yi emu na to no ma obi ampie aye asante amamre da wo fiti tete enye ne ene ya baba hyehye sa amamre no aye amamre da wa ye wura wate kokoso baba toye na wontumi sisa amane no vise amane ne da wo fi ye nananom tete penso da sa da da ho abrantie yi efiri fa wo bumra no so wa pia bontene wo pia bontene wie ya na wo say didi wote kokoso atem to ayampia se meme bia ni ho na se beme bi wo ma bema pa wo mra me yenhwe nsem amrante keka ye no wo deserve se amrante asanteman kamekura me wo kwa kameko hwehwe na sumbi fisa asantema ye wo mema kentinka ho yo mema kokodufu bi te se apia biblika the man who doesn't fear sakate and they don't and who doesn't fear dwarfs you don't know they know intino abrantia no wontumi fa no compare obi because abrantia no oye ne mo ne mfreni masem ba ye be the case ya apia biblika be se owu bempa watia me nan so owu bempa afom me owu bempa ye me bone owu bempa di mewu owu bempa ye me ade a eya owu bempa waye me mfom so waye me bone bebrebe wo de me compare sa abrantia no tiere awintasem kwasia panyiri jimifo awintasem jimi ni kwasia wo dwan ba te se wo aponche ba to atimu mu wade se wo wintasem nya atwumini ete se wo kwasia panyiri wintasem e ka kire kwasia panyiri ni se de osoma o se na be video no jimifo sofo na osoma se be video no ka kire se I am waiting for his voice kwasia phobia pasoma wa mo se they should come and beat me biano tell him that I appear biblical I am waiting for them me say enkabeye Taliban war me do video no so amoya no me report video na my police and so if they hear anything say appear me so miss enkophobia wa go sia me na me so retaliate no nobody should make anything tell kwasia no I'm saying what can I say now I got is in J so Usubempa and his boys has come out again yeah I and umujimi mami bo hawa wakomu nyina no ena ma Usubempa so ntia wakami bia wakano kure nyina na wono no obeka sisi pa another case someone if say onye contract killer so we a contract killer adentina wo bi ene wonam na wanye wo bone onfon wo na me apia biblika ma bo wo kwan bebrebe so ebra me fi South Africa ba ye information eda ho ma bo wo na ma information empia bonten enam so na ma me agrada de me be ye fine na watumi akoti wo Usubempa asem asori atia me just like that busa wo say dia be bone pa na me de ye agrada into sorry tia me have you ever asked yourself do you think say 100 million na wo de so ma me na Kofi na de chairman Debbie now the woman has confessed it so Usubempa body pa e wo me ho she has said it in my ears waka ama mama suwe ate samuna mo body pa ko denta no Usubempa ba be shem come say apia biblika be wuti sekraman and now the prophecy must come to pass whether I like it or not and I was say ye bopa na ye apia kun sekraman na confirm wo Usubempa kwase jimi nkom say na wo say apia biblika no wo de obi be say nkom say obe wudi a wo say da bi wo nya also dem say be me wuti sekraman kobo ho paasa yema bumi nkumi na obi a metimi kaamu yakọ na yakọ save court letter na metimi kaamu na ye pami kromfo awio 8 motors 2 cars na broad daylight ye brom yakumi na wo kwabrane fa ho osofo na wo na wo searchire na mani agye ye muapie nkono kwasia panyini wo Jimmy ni amitasem. Do you know what I've gone through? Do you know what I've been through? Abrante na me compare no sabi o wateko koso abo pass en kobo abrante no wateko koso abo pass abrante no obi ko papa na sum ana abrante no ahunu ana obo sorry tia so wateko koso but love no share video mami abusia mani abre papa se krodo na yenya kwasiafo blogger bi ti se amitasem abetra bontene say obi sia wo apia no so nsa keka. I am waiting for those people to come. I work alone. Kagigadu gadiga. Ragidagadu gadigadis. Azunga digadu aragadagada. Hey, me, I work alone. Don't think say I will go out with anybody. Hush. I work alone. Kajire kwa siampenyi ni sofu na wasuma say bekasa kwa siasem factory me apia baby can say I am waiting for his boys to come and beat me. Me say nkabeye Taliban war. We shine back to some moi. Mukura mo se mo so mfaso. Ebusia mpacho mfancha mwate mam keka bi nkyere wo mwate. Na me babo mo video na wanka sa obeti nsebo mo keka kire me. Because nipa be aframe to me for say obosere me atemridie no doso na mami brother with him emu oya omufi say sini manu tie de say kaka manu emra wo ya dwo Ghana wo de bo mai ko tie nsebo mo keka no na ijafri jane ba beso my incotie se mo kekai so bet say was say find no se da bay o bet say o be di matemo aso be de so akas o se de na branch ese ya mobo na wa ya mobo na fe de wo pa chew ena wo na me pa chew mi ni watem biem ena me pa chew mi ni watem biem no sa na ese o so tsimu se omode wo mumu na so ewiase mpan for say me na me mo a obi na ebo a me ma na maba beje o video no obi te say yem fa ne say abrantie bi achi bibi ti me be say me boni di because of enyema bi abanti me moni di na odi prophet as a cause pa ato tankuru we otimbe ka se papa yeke enya apia bebeleka yes o da bi meye no wadu market we obi ani na tem obi anka na chief otimbe base o de tiare yo abrante na wakasa sisia na efe ne krobia na krobia ne se enam niema bi a eberiti munteni yo enam niema bi a ebeninti misisu bi krobia ne se enam niema bi a ebeninti me osofo apia omumimidin ehwa na kwame amubo midi enye apia biblika wo de tobo ase ma obi ani natem tire word no wisia no ma obi a endi natem na meye ne ho adwuma na moma yenhwe se omudi matem ana wo mo ani matem moma yenhwe me bo me to video no so bacho me bawai bushia me to video no so na moma yenhwe se omudi matem ana se omo ani matem Bolavo no some patch share video mama wada roma chief otimbe kase papa yeke asempa otimbe kase papa yese no kase chief onu kase kan wo baba kase chief prophet so ko pa ne susofo ebi ni ho na wo papa na no pese okochia etu ye so se ye na ye papa follow me nyina ba bia nka se owusu bempa so susofo ebi ni ho da me nka be sada me se wo owusu bempa woye janiu nyame frem na emum ni suban ene na brabo ema enwosra na nyame di ma no and go together and your words ya maka and I will still say it because Eradia yi na kyerem say am pass wona na afrem I have seen him wearing a white gown but not the authority so before God and man na who usu be pass was a white gown na so that authority so And what the radical tell me say, my friend no se me software. Nanso so wamani suban e di enimguasie abata enwosra no ho. Enu ti na wo da toilet so no. Di toilet na wo da so no ntre se wo da toilet so. Na emom no wo di enimguasie abata. Ejuwa na nyame di ama no. Menya dream sa to aso. Na was a white gun before God the man. Na so wo da toilet so. No na otwari abo Yakobon kire mase se toilet nja o manim guase a wode abata adwuma na nyame frɛ so na meye no enu dura last time me ye video me ka say o su bempa kai wakane do kai ba bia wo firi hwiase na sa sorry. That is the reason why I use that word. Number 2, min kopa wo su bempa cha won ko jana bia nka say wo su bempa what to say min kopa wo su bempa cha wo da e di say wo su bempa ka kire mo kwasiafo yi say me ma be para cha wa mo kan cha ni say me say wo ye hu wo no mom ene na person ni mi hia no ne me kasa no ne me din komo ena me ka kire wo mo say me ni hia ne me ni hia kina enu kura wo kan ya ka say enka me ni nua ba na brown ye nyina ye mpa ba bi na nka ye nkoko hia ne ye nkotena se ne ye nkasa before God and man. Enti mo papa no on ka no kura ne nkire mo wo ye otrofo o su be passe me ma bare nche se me para cho me ma bare nche okukuom se me power no o su be pa cho on fa evidence ne me trabontin baby a me ba o su be pa nche se me para cho no let o su be pa asofo o su be pa on fa evidence ne mra mumu se de e benti de e bare ne se bo be soma me abebo me ana muko bo police for pass en ko chia pia biblical by force me try police for what dia mum yenti o man sam no why abusia o de mama yenti we will take it from there.
It we so say ye na ye papa followers no see who abrantie we se ba bia papa obeso obe e manen try ye for yesa ke kana e manen try ta wonu wiase se bitu I know can we be destroyer I tell you yet yen so be ke kan rough they don't try
samate say abusia fo motei omo se omu se o su be pa ora me ko ben no a omo do mo se na me ko be o su be pa dey ai that very day no Thanksgiving ase no me wo me wi ma throw back tam kate wo no wate me wo me kasa wo me wi ma throw back why that very day no what Thanksgiving no ase no so fu wuchetere nchen me chia obi a enipa wo ma me sign se me nchia wo su be pa no onwi wote ase e ka me nchia ne da one ma me sign se me nchia no eno kura no mo papa no ka kire ayi e fere se so fu wuche se on fere number ne ma me busa so fu wuche se me ma je wo su be pa number no up to date da bra na mo yare won mo papa no on ka no kura nkire mo mo papa ne ka kire sofu wuche se on fa the new number de mama na ya me frɛ no busa sofu wuche se up to date me busa wo me pa number fi ne ho busa no bra ba se mo bobo badam e na me ko ben no se wo hwan wo nyame wo ye dia bai e dia no de mama me e dia no ba ya me me ko ben agide ai Oni pa watuma bia ne sia duasa ka jam se apia biblika mekun mebawutuo sa ni pa we me kwa be na godi akwade akwade me ye madwin se ka me forget bibia me ye madwin se ka metu bibia to agu because of sofu wuche elekebuan asembia akwade ka kire me asembia sofu ni mi kan ye enu nti na me ye madwin se mema adwobreo nanka ye nyina ya trafa fefe enu na minya muaye free wo papa no ho no ena ma me bufu say he thinks say I am a stupid man. I will let him know say I am not a fool. for the fact say me sima brem ho ase no enkyere say me yakwasea Usu bempa woncha me panyino ayadwem bone ne yare e na mana ba kokora ntentem sa woncha me panyini Usu bempa ni sofo ncha me o ha woni ba bia magye nyame adwuma se wutumi tena pachi number 2 wutumi tena wote asori a na wo yesofo pa se wonim the history about Pechia, go and ask Pechi number 2. History about Pechi number 2. Number 1 and 2. Se wonni power, nyame mbene, nyame nhyeuma, Yakupon e bi nipa. Nyame ene men nipa ahoden. Ntina de bia meka se enyama ahoden na ye awrade. Nyahumbo bro keke. Nyame ne hu nipa mabo se yenye awrade ne hu me mabo wo Pechi number 2 a obia ne wo masofo bia ne obetuma kwatena Pechi number 2 a obeti asole a obetumi agina me ahoda Yakupon de me start ye Pechi number 2 matena takurade anaje aya sori kakraka e wo takurade ne efre ba bi de Prempeh Assembly Hall matena Asante Achemagogo me na me ka 3 classrooms bomu kobu sabase e wa Asante Achemagogo me history eda so da Asante Achemagogo sabra konongo kobu sa konongo my history is there wouldn't tell me how say nyame adwuma baby I make anya so me nko na meko obi ani machi I go alone but onyame ma me nkrofo ma me no me ya sorry we jare papa say nyam nkwasi asema mo didi mi a enkene ka ma sorry enka the whole Ghana the whole world enka fa baby a eni mguasi a mu go minti na me ja sorry to ho say me pay justice ansana masasa ti asori en perifosi e domani sado so ntakrache mo papa no wo munim se apia biblika me kutaja kese na me ja no sori ya o mu nyina be tofon en o mu pe kwa fa so se ye be gu abranti ani mase ye be kana se ye de ne be tofon kora go bisa be history akra ha me beti asole e wo ayalolo eye kokobiti ayalolo me ya asole sana wo kwa me amokwase ampanyi fa afo frɛ me na me ja asole ma me wife se me wife nya asole ada ya wo say sofo obi nim attack o wusu bempa then time na ma ba akra na me pe wusu bempa asem na me dono every Tuesday biano na me call the one bible Tuesday bia me call the one bible o wusu bempa ntimi change ma asole date am de ya asole na ma call no de no. Do you know the relationship we were having then time? Nkwasiafo mo kwada bra mo bedi sofo. Me ni mo zo be kwada mo gbanya sofo. Wo kwa me na ye radio presenter. Da be na wo kwa me mo be sofo. Kogo bu se mi di wa ayalolo. Me na mitimi ya asore ma asore ho no nyina ye ma. Varanda mu nyina timi ye ma. Na me de my wife entoma e dia ye tent makeka bo ho be 15. Ye de aye tent na nkofo nya shade etime gina se munim nkom se wo bodam onyame de cheme kwa prophetic healing onyame de cheme kwa and up to date it is still working wo yare so for wo so pass wo di so for jame and wo onyame fere che a cheme like seriously Kongo bi masi okumase ye fra bi di feyase go to feyase babia comfortante what think the so go mane ama ne besi fifiri ye life no besenin time e hore na me ya sorry go and check my record at Atonsu feyase go and check my record babia hot den pa no e hore Yakupon so mane e ma me kokoya sorry. Go and check my record at Atonsu Feyase. Go and check my record. Go and ask my record there. Mujari. Wuni mubi ana ofena kwa. Usu me pass with your so for time. Like seriously? Mujari. Wuni mtawa me say nkom ka say Akufo be president. No, we should be back right now. Baby me preach be 2016 me say Akufo-Addo Baba be president. Now only 4 term. But na was a kucha. Now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Esaba. God no one ya go papa de papa nko si no wodi na hwe ade. No was ade ne ba e bebe ya ade. And sembe na papa ohusu empa mekanfa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And me boni nyina wa hane. Asale me fia. Wo be ganu wo betuja ma me apia e be threaten me. Okay, ya be hwe. Abusu ya mama yenti why?
Can rough they don't try. What? Oh, who's a tampana on fire? We are seeing this. Say, I'm broken. I deal with I can't talk about campaign, you know. It's even
Samate. Abuafunu to me, do what my mama comes with new movie. Abuafunu, or on a car, say my obi any matem. Say, coming common mataman can be by and come back, and commission in your matem. No money matam, dear, Mamma Kawati. Keep coming to him, why? Abusia. Pachopa. Fate, means you want a fatty. Yamini abuafu.
Chief, the idea I see, Chief, the police force now, we have the cyber unit, Chief, they should act fast. Chief, because Chief, obey him the far camera, and then I branch here, see, no, be so confirmed with the scene, no one said it to a tomb for them. And also, me who say, and branch here be so very life for say, what are you, Chiwa? Young war, then we make you count on that. Joe, Chief, me say every leader. Or moving masses. You don't joke with that person. Chief, I branch here be. Mempese mekanase. Eye papa die. And oba sorry as oba be pacho. Chief, eye me. Master Richard. Capito. Now is red. No sir red. I can't keep for queer turns out. And can you see what sorry? The way I was standing for. Just say, I don't know, it took me bare 5 to 10 minutes before I could calm the members down. Chief, you maybe I didn't call him. Hey, you didn't call you could see one per car. Papa say, who make you sure say, or Pierre Vanessa can. And no politics and for 2 years, give me what you think. So, Chief, I didn't win a sin. It's a wake up call. And you let you know those people now. And you let you know movement in the baby Joe. On your shit. Oh, Chief.
Tia on sen kofu o majimi pa na o mukasa. Panyi bi ti the baby na wanya o hwe ya. Yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Boni be no de ye osu bempa na osu bempa di natem. Me boni na wa ha no ene mebo. Mo betin se ma osu bempa kafa yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ho. Ebra na wa sitting president answer na oba opposition. Mo de mo betin se mo masum. Mo betin se ma osu bempa kai. Me boni na wa ha ne. Ya to su bi. Yawa mensa otabe ewo krumia minkodi natem onya me hwe me akaza papa apostle Sam Kranchi ankra onya me bone ikodi natem ayede what you say Archbishop Duncan Williams onya me bone papa baby a wo bi onkwaso why Archbishop ikodi natem ayede prophet Emmanuel Badikubi osofu papa Badikubi onya me bone Bishop Stephen Akwasi Apia onya me bone mikodi natem kra de ayede ya wasofo mpanifo mo ko omkuta sika na me pesika na me kodu ba na me sika o usu be para me kodu natem o usu ba o kapre ye ka sofo mo sika ga na ba o usu ba o sika ye ka sofo nyame asira wo mo ga na ha o usu ba o sika na makodi o usu ba pa to ne ko pesika wala ka yeso o usu ba o sika wo gi da me tu se la surala eye kakra o sika wo go si asore dan so ozu be paso o sika won si asore dan na wotemu no on si ne dan ye ka so fu nyame asira wo mun kuta sika kuta kuta eja kokko a ozu be pa wo ka pre na me ka chiro anointing with that money is annoyance ada tira man ko di sankofo mu bi atem man ka sentia sankofo bi na ozu be pa me ko ka sentia no edi se obi ka sentia ai Archbishop no me yache no ne ye bono ana yache no de ko police station Archbishop wo right say de ko adentia visa Archbishop wonya de hwe me se wo so be mpa ya me bone wa fom me kwasia foi get it into your thinking head samo papa no me say wa fom me wa threaten me wa ye me nyima bebrebe asofo bebrebe wo Ghana ha Africa ha mama obi adi se wo so be mpa wo be pa oska kogo wesika yewura ayi sofo Victor Kusibuatin. Go and see asoda we see you. Go and see the cars. Go and see the house I want him. Go ready fear, go ready cars. Go here asoda kese pa. A year say a prophet Victor Kusibuatin sia ma urade. Obu nyina gu horum. Ana me nkodi o matem ko pesika. Na me ho kire me a, o ho kire wa e so kodi obi atem ko pesika. Se o ho kire wa e wo se mo madwin shisha mo ye mmoa. Osu ben pankura no mo ye mmoa madwin shisha. Mo ye nkwa hyiafo pa, mo ye ntwaboa, mo ye nyan madwin shisha. Me pe obi a wo sika agodi na tem ko pesika dia. Ene ntama agodi kwa me despite atem. Kwa me yewura kwa me despite. Ba bia wo bia papa wo nkwa so. Kaya ofolimo omu ne kura sika omu ne kura ja champion divine clinic wale ne wono kwa tim si aso da kakraka si wo se gura so de ama urade e wo kumase omu ne kura ja atese na wo kwase keka se wo so bempa e na me pesika kwa hadan me pesika ko twa be school fees mu ya mmoa me mafriko suku da bia no me mako suku no e wo so bempa me biska de twa me school fees wo so bempa me biska de twa me ma eto de me madi nkwasi asembe kwasi akeka nkwasi akeka sa na ade atin jimi keka emmo asem mfra ni ma asem osi they are arrogance to peace. Yes, allergic to peace. Omo pasum due no mo pebia mo papa no na kabeba ya kwa kabeba ye video no nka mo nsole ma no a mo se mo di obi ba ho ma mo baboro no nka mo nim nyansa na mo pese mo pe asumdue na mo pese mo papa no ne ho branyam na ne mo banyam no wafafo ko hwehwa pe biblia ka kira kwan osofo de bia woni ye papa ye kuntokwa na de be na ekoso e de ba asem ba kura na ye de sekan e na etwa asem ba kura na ye de sekan etwa. I say, why can't these pastors preach peace? And just do not understand all this. Yes. No can no waka. Intika mo pasum due na mo pese papa ko branyam na mo pese be dim papa natem na mo pese ye be kasa tiam papa no. The only thing you can say is say, hey papa, Mr. Charles Tuku or say, Apia, if Papa Bempa offended you, please take him to court. Please, and stop the noise on the media, bro. Thank you. Kakasa asaba okay. Saka kachi usu Bempa ne nkwa siafo na ombeye video no. Me bono. Kakasa asaba chere wo. Me dia me pen kwasi asem Mr. Charles Tuku. This is your last warning. I respected you. If you can't say this to usu Bempa ne nkwa siafo, don't come under my video and write this to me again. Minya kwasia na menye obi akora. Menye obi akora. Womo so camera na omudi gina wono na omo jimi no. Did you go there and write the same thing to them? Please respect yourself. Abushia what you say? Na mo be gina bonte be tin kwasi asem. Mumu bibi wo mama catch say moti aburuchiri. You don't know what is going on in Ghana here. Owusu Bempa is not innocent. Owusu Bempa is a diabolic. To me, Apia Biblica, he is a diabolic and hypocrite. With his boys and that's them, all of them, no, they are diabolic and hypocrite. Mr. Owusu Bempa, me bonny. What are you talking about? I was your man here or Mushamaka, my inting Kokusi.
No, moment in the bed, Joe. On your shit, oh, Chief, Ghana Police statement. That be now so, why, the Chief, may say Ghana Police, make 8 years statement, the same eminent, or yes, I don't know much of my maintain. How much maintain, they cannot issue any statement. They dare not, they cannot. I know what's why. Chief, may say They tell them not go for the Babette. Why you say, do you know them? So chief, I am not. They want to tell us. Said it is over. They now want to yeah, tea baby. Young cow. No team that catch prophet as a goes when passe. Sabi. Papa ni ya kana mine. Said the man at General Council was awful. At my grandpa, oh yeah, sorry. Now we think the cats answer when you're not on so. Me make chillino, may you say, what you can mind, what you say, and to you sure say, the followers of prophet as a ghost bumper, and who appear baby car, a deal at the Bagana police. I was appeared and say, it is a tear money now so giant cat. Suppose for one of the baby yaks and say, oh, my papa patch a war, and money much as member who say, what papa. Oh, I'm telling you.
Kwame Amo, we are quite for your information. Me power who should be patch out that, and I'm calling Chanko Kumbe Bianco Panacho that. I have never done that before. Ye Pawbia Marco Pawbia Chaudia who should be pa. Anyone I was small or moon bedin qua Siasamu, and the Mona Mud Simino, and some Pame Macho. We jare. Semi Copo who should be patch or say, but they better also see me the identity of a paracho. That a mobile badamo. And I also been partner catch them say, me appear, me, my paracho. Me appear biblical or soft appear biblical. The man who doesn't fear catching or doesn't fear dwarfs. You don't know them, no. Who's been catch them say, my paracho go home. Munkachans and Messi or bois, why a liar. If he has said that to you guys, catch them say, why you want true for. When you contemplate that brabani, say if he has said that to you guys, say me ma be paracho. And if baby me wo usu me pass ma be paracho no, on fa me to abontere, me ma ne kwan, obi ansiu no, obi anya ne hwe, obi because obi na maka. Say me say was me ma be paracho say me paracho a, on fa me to abontere. Kwasia sama mudi kira me. And Yama Mudia Yemi from 2021, 2021, and I don't know. And in the Mabaka, prophetic so gumi so a gumi who feels me it. Me Mabaka, one who's been passe, me papa or pump work rep and me and another. Did I? Hey, Mummy Buffon, I saw me cake calculate at some papa. Ha, Muyari Wati, wouldn't police station Cheobi. Kwame, Munin police station Cheobi on. Munin baby, cyber security. And I saw about security for catching me say, me many about one case, you know, look at my ira. Hey, move fiaba. Munim cyber security. Say was police for active fast. Cyber security for active fast. And a cyber security for the catching me appear say, me many about one case, you know, docket no ira. Nipakura 1 minute docket no, or befe docket no. Mu yari. And moi. Kwasiafo munim cyber security munim police kwan ana memeni ababa one case na involve sa kwasiafo ni nyina no musi ai cyber for ka kire me appear say docket na ayera like seriously na bra mo kasa mo nkwana mo de mote ya mote pensi won he kwabia mo wunna wate wunna jimi wo papa wo so be paro wo yedi pa time on ana wo yeso fo time wo hunu ade time on mo yare wate ntwamwa mponchema Eric asema waka talk was say oh prophet appear can't peace reign between you and Prophet Owusu Bempah. Some few months ago you were cool with him. It is true, Eric. I was very cool with him until say my information be feeling change towards me. Until the moment and near my akoswa back door. So you guys could have used your mentality. Sa Kwame Amunia, you know, any assuring petty for no saying come up peace and the Owusu. They could have used their mentality. Let us get in touch or contact with this guy. Nah, nebia when your papa I say what is going on. Na yema etu nkotwe de atwene. But mumu de papa de besa asoma mo. Na mo kro masaka say yenko yene ne kwako. Oni obi nim ntokwa baaye. me na me ko gintokwa ni gina mu kwa me aho na fa afo frɛ me ko gintokwa ni gina mu ni obi ni kokko ntokwa bishop obi ni me onya me bɔne onti me on kan me on na yire me ko so asere sɛ obimfa me bɔne nkyame Bishop Daniel Kojo obi ni medical para chaw dada so fu yima no bedi ko bi na de me ko ye na ko para chaw na bishop obi ni me bɔne na me di owusu bempa achi sɛ me penasem na me kodi di bishop obi ni matam di na tam ke kansam egu bishop obi ni ene ne yire so in the name of me defending owusu bempa ekosi mi sai kwasi apanyi ni kwa bia mo we ya o na fafo e fra mi bi jama so de to di amika mi duru sakama kwa ene owusu bempa tele office na ni mo atwe yo obi nim se wode ne ntaba be panasum owusu bempa wa fon at once wana ne so nyina te ene ogugu owusu bempa ni ma no wodi si o be sra wo be wa fon by force wa fon at once swate o kan ni se mu nyina akira pia biblika na me sori waka mine ayi obi nim start radio so na obi nim e de ba bonten se eye ntokwa no onko biem watwa so wajai ni nyina se obi nim ne me anante pen enti ensem bi America no anhwe ya akira bi asore bakora beje di se di apia kan ya no kore and so all the information na wo mo de ma me nyina kaka nyina no me ni obi nim na me hu da eso owusu bempa ka kyem se me nkase obi nim kra ring hye ne nai kokromuti eyeye keka ni nyina ade gu bishop obi nim so basiafo mama se di ai karibo sibiri handia wasuka da hinda gudaba handia mo on ejana mi munu a me kodadi ana masa be kanya ejano hwe enye mu nko na Ghana hanu mo enye mu dia o Ghana ye nyina dia o me catch wo wusu be mpa ne nkwase nkrama mama wo musu wo media no so wo mi sa chastuku ka catch wo wusu be pasa hawate de jansem fun twetwe na ara betwe me video na sen. Please calm down, man of God. I can hear pain in your talking, but for the kingdom of God, Eric, Namisha. Me ya sorry mi tata ko mi kutadom. Me ya sorry honya yema. Na me jama sorry ho. Na me du osu bempa asore me ko koma osu bempa me ko fight am osu bempa. E ko si bi sai ewi ache ma bo pass ye mom indicate e woro be ho megu abanten ye nku ani mase na ma asore ni nku ampa so egui kwasiafo munim cyber security on munim cyber security rika sika ya ndo handia mese mo asase be memrem mi to mu jamu ma asase sa asase ni asase asi ani asase ni tu fom sie ni padia me jamu ma asase sa asase we na mo teso dia mi jamu mo eni mo ma asase bibia kwa yami ase kwa mi amu wo da bia wo su be pa mamu nam police station me ko chi ambaba wai me ko chi aduba achi me ko chi we ya mo na mo nam police station mo ma ko ma mo be na ma sa ba tra bon tra krese fa asase mo ni mo hwe mimeni abre makochi obi na ye me pe justice no na wo kwa mi amu wo nam police station wo na wo koma be wo ni asofo no ene lawyers na mo nam police station mo ma be no sa be tra bon tri se to ayampia kwasia wate wonna wate kwa mi amu wo jimi wate se to abuafun dan probia mo na mo se dia wo se mo musia mi amu de so ba keka mi donya kropo I walk alone. I am waiting for you guys to meet me, and make any move or any attempt to touch me. Me doing your group. Be say kabaya Taliban war. Mchamwa. Sia boy. Wudo sabe kaka me apia. Die muadin o muninko. na dia kano ye babo ho ban try me this time again ma me na mo bore pa no say o mumi nkumi na en confirm o papa nkwase ankomse na o shefa me ho no ma me no na woda prison enti mo ko bo pa foforo na o momra mo de musumu ho mia mo se mo ye sofo su bempa ayi ensore ma mo de mo te pay mo te yawo ye dim papa tem aye mo ya mo papa de wodi obi atam de anya ne ya enti mo de mo te yawo enti mo mia mo de mo sabe keka me mo de me compare wo tumfo wote kokoso akora na okodidi na tem akora no otumfo waka no wote no wa here bibi asiafo say Ghana Security Police you act fast and moi say ke o police for come act fast ya and ko so bempa ko police kura ka che ayarefo wode mama we baba o so bempa se ma kafa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ya hwedi pa o sanka police for act fast na ye kokoche no
telling you
Chief, then I call Thanksgiving.
oh we will not say anything no Chief, but freedom of speech I can guarantee you, but freedom of that speech I can't.
Chief, you call Thanksgiving no Papa Panchen say, or Bachia Papa. Chief, when you go for a friend if you are brutally. No, Makuma, you.
But my big Jimmy Namoko, we are Matasa, Posmako try and one Matabe Pacho, no Matasa Be, we are Matako, never again. See, I tell you,
Miss
hwa kwabia me mpɛ kwasi asɛm me wo so bempa me bɛpa na kyɛw da me mfa kokuo mu ɛma ne nkyɛn bɛpa na kyɛw da me mfrɛ ne fo so ɛmpa na kyɛw da sɛ yɛ pobia me na kopo bia kyɛw a ɛyɛ wo so bempa ɛne wo kwame amon kwasiafo no mmoa na motwa ne ho ahyia no mo ɛna so mpa ma kyɛw kwasiafo
I am appealing to Honorable Sam George, our information minister. Sir Papa, near President John Dramani Mahama Kayeno, Mr. Mumu from Nancy,
Selina Boatman, I was really pissed.
Say, yes, sir. Chief, on the SCWA Santimemono. Religiously, the be also followers, bet me a yebu. The police cannot control because every any papa couldn't better than masses.
And when I'm so sorry, you don't know Nippon and the Bebon San Juan or any panel loyalist.
That is the point, Chief. Or sorry, our Papa Nasio. But although all my providers goes by panel, a idea motu. Obi on your Santinio, but I don't want more pimps one I say too soon. Na your body and your boy Mwasa. Hey, I Chief. And what thing?
A wake up call now can you to the young ones now?
Wake up call to the young ones now. When you offer come the sewer Nima, Penina or she, or Tini baby, prophet as a cause of passe. Make quabro chile.
Tienio. Me the best one of my bows been padian because me been a yabre. Tienio. Penny on some sink of your Jimmy. When you are dealing with Apia Biblica, you have to be wise up. When you are dealing with me, you have to be wise up. Se panyin nya wo hwe na wodi natam. Na panyin ya wo hwe na so wo face no aye na so e. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, boni be no de ye wo su bempa. Wo tin no. Wo ka no. Asofo a na omo hyenkom ebon paima His Excellency John Dramani Mahama 2020 usu bempa di omo nyina tem kokosi tiri ensama usu bempa kafa AG1 Apostle Sam Kwantian kran and mo batiri nya omasum. Get ready for me, I am coming. Yanko mo batiri nya omasum meba. back. I to talk. We speak only the truth and nothing but the truth. And a cronkwana yeka, ye can't chronicity and chronicity, sanity. But part 2, ye ba Ushube Paso, Isaac Ushubempa, Ninsama Okeka Edifa, a yet you His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and to say a pobi acheno, ama police artifacia, Ushubempa, and Yama Ushubempa Kafa. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. In Sember no Usube Banka, Bolavo does not say video no money. Be was soon at ye. Muma Yangoti and some of Usubempa, or can edify His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Mama Radia, number one say Usubempa, where you're the quaffo, and not where you are tough for, and not where you contemplate for. Then you will see and you will know every truth. Damn truth. We speak only the truth. Let's go. Au revoir.
I say, Samuel. And it's not there be a pleading for Saul. Free Saul, the political party, no, because my reject him. Neko David in chain, Neko Kwanwait in the king, because on a met you soon. And to Yamit me reject king and a president. And when Yamisa choose another king and as a president.
Has God rejected President Mahama?
Oh, yes.
Why? How?
A moja one is how?
Why? How?
So, spiritual eye. Nessa Obekano cry. Klausa. I want Ghana Hanoma. Obi face Esha Klaus no. I share tears. Onyame buafu.
Say that again.
Mate. Usube mpase. Tirio Paul Ebusano. Paul the all Metro TV no. What I say Paul Adom Ochire. And Ebusano say enti His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nyame wapono Usube mpase ani. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nyame apon na tienieti obetretrem wose emoja ewo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nsano sha Ghana police munchi Usube mpana saasem na okato yewura His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no e wo so otimi ya no na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama baby kura Usube mpako hu se emoja won nsano na 7 preduasa won na kum yewura His Excellency the former president ya wawuko atamis baby a Usube mpako hu se yewura John Dramani Mahama ni kunu no onko kire no one chire wo mo boy yewura John Dramani Mahama ema yekum yewura tamis wose moja won nsano na wo hwe Klaus ma obi enimu hyemunku mu na obeka si so dwa say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ontumi nya president wo wiase da such a man we yenom so o me ya sofo che obi a wo Ghana wo de mama yenti
Unu ade afere Klaus.
Yes,
Murunkum. Obi enim ehye murunkum a ehye tears. God being so good, onyankopon smart angels. So omumfa bow enso so tears no. Se be ya end drop down. Antisa calamity e be si oman mu. Because onyankopon say ne ma e wo Ghana ha. No watie ne man paibo. Nti punishment bi a e wo set to man bi so. Ana oman so enam obi nti. Waman angels at the bowl as a shop and no media sin chain. And on Yankopon say Ghana for nim next one go wrong against your new Yankopon decide no. Say Charlotte say yo, say ya wan yo. On Yankopon be masa tears no a good Ghana and it's a good Ghana. A suma Ghana for a be experience no. Any bra Ghana for the breno, obedient me blame Yankopon. Because
getting more controversial and more complicated, Bishop.
Shane, so be many. Ni West and then 9 and then sa. And on Yankopon in the general judgment. Na sani pakone we be miserable.
Say that again.
Papa, me kasa in Proverbs.
Yes, I'm following.
I believe that you are confused.
I am.
But Ghana penfo bebrebe a hypocrite. Excuse my language. And men of God pure Ghana no mo person be kan korek. Obitimi sore kase die ntina wo ye prophet
patro ma me fan kire enye ebi obeka se voice e de be enie ono wote wono eye Paul Adom Ochire ena ye ne sa interview no ma me bi light na ni kakra ma me bi kara ni kakra ni kakra fo ni kakra na emblight yi Paul Adom Ochire ene ye ni sa interview any or not one Paul Adam watch Paul Adam watch so netian oni sama hu Paul Adam watch oni no ene ye sa interview no ena wo ka sa asem we see you ena wo ka sa asem we see enti mama yenti
who prophesy about election. He's the same yesterday, today, and forever. So Nyankopon use old prophets. Emo prophesy. Afa government ho. Next already 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 28. No nyameka say ma frebi ama government. Not as a source of no kasa no. They don't know their scriptures. Omo ko read the Bible ye. Onyame na sing no onyame na to hene. Onyankopon kasa afa o mebia ho. Onyankopon ni wo mebia akonya ho. Obi bi obetina o man bi akonya so onyame nim hu bi so obefa kwambo ni so obe wi mo so obe den onyame nim hu bi but judgment ni duru hono ma God will judge you.
Very powerful and animated statements from you, Bishop, but let's come back.
Hwa tieni me ba mesa to aso obi atwa de bi wo say nation prophet went to greet Asante Hini Otumfo over the weekend. Tieni we enye news and I know kura lewe kura kokoti Asante Hini lewe wote kokoso wo do obi a o wonya ba ncha ya wampo me apia bi ka because yesi kwakoche na ye be ma kwakoche no wonni me dada ne nana ne me what you say Munasi prophet ya invite no ya mfre no on one ko ya hwehwa ni mu ana o mukokoro wura mu se o mpaso kwakoche Asante Hini wote kokoso menya information ni nyina ana wote kokoso ma na kwa se o mo ne ma prophet ma ne ma matenka ma na no mechia me na no o mukobo kwa ne ma no kokochia no eno nkyere se okochere nkiri ai ukochia ye na Otumfo a na chese wo se Ghana udi nkwasasem ana udi nsamfu dabi na no lewe ekochia Otumfo lewe meye dede wo ho se okochia Otumfo wo su be mpankoa ni nipa o ne panyini kwa kodi nkomo a obeba da kana bonten na no so ne wo chief imam dem woni chief imam ko wura dem ko ye de be we nyina ehun hia okochia wote kokoso wama kwa mna ba wura the palace wotina gwam a wakwakochia otwere picture de abato abonten we ede na be yo amampani fo kwa ya so mo sa atia wo mo na ayi ayinfo akase nya so mo sa atia wo mo ote kokoso wonye wa ketwa kochia no nhira ba wutwa bata bonten ede na be yo ensama wonu wote kokoso kan ye ayina wodi abato abonten ede be na be yo I see they always wanna belong because of their frank madam. I no crapa. I don't know. You want nipa be celebrate be longo church you wura Otumfo ono mu dim komo okuko mo fa meto bontre and Otumfo kora ka kire me say me kwa menchia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Emmanuel e wana mu say Usman Power your torofo Yewura President John Dramani Mahama wako aye ni bi akoche Otumfo ne di nkomo eye dan na Otumfo sakatre wo Usman pa say sakoche ukwa chia John Dramani Mahama mame e won kramam how we nyina ya atro wonim say asam na wo kan e ya atro na wonim say yewura wote kokoso ontumi ma bontene e ma meka say I'm suma anama suma we asiane say na say yewura wote kokoso kora ka kire wo say ukọ achia president manwa eno soso e wo so de betra puppet na wo ka ho asem eno ede na wo de bagie o ka de agede ai se panyini kura suma say wo sofo ukọ ka kire His Excellency yes wadam from ka kire se mechia no eno soso no e wo say de betra bontene e ka kire nkofo say ai ena Otumfo de me call the palace ena wo na wotena na kunyum fefefe ena mkoko chia no ena die ena wo ka kire me say ai wadamfo ene yi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama dia ene wo kwa chia na mame ase sabi ompraduasa Otumfo ohunu ayi His Excellency emfie miensani emfie nani wo hu ne da ohunu His Excellency emfie nwotwini wo hu da ene wo soma wo Usman pa say kwade kwakwa chia na mame like seriously ni enya nsore maso timalu na hey wait news Wait, I Abba. Was it an equation? The man doesn't want peace. Oh. Look what his boys are doing. Threatening to beat us off up here. Can you imagine? I got a catch of mommy. So, where you are saying? Oh, I know we actually Nana see you are smart or software up here. Wait, my stress. Can we crack a man? We mukra or 2 for and can find 2 more. Now we was off for you not to call to about I'm over the palace. Aquatiana, man, also and come out, penny new dear, so crowd. Say, I'm for say you what to call so kind of small casa and pa. I was so better papa to Tonaka, so for one water. One how. Sana okay, and I could for the crano, ye kumnipa, ye human sacrifice, and a deba. What was like a chill? Also, about second them, we are criminal. Say, and across the Okani and Crampadia, you are a criminal. If it's a one must seven okay. When if I see some way human sacrifice, why am Gokuno? Why am Gokuno? Why am Gokundi sacrifice? Ma, another damn quite good for the problem Gokuno. Why about what was you? No, yay. Nonsense. You come to my anchor. With a moment, Nipa will not be so super panano, 100, nano 1 billion, nano 2 billion, nano 3 billion. I'm telling you, trust me. Nano ham. Nano's one kind of question come. And we actually also be bad the Okroma, one kind of credit, and His Excellency, was one Omaka say, Nana. Also been paradam for pane you John Dramani Mahama and a for catching who's been passing who's been any prophet who catch a Pharisee President Semitiano Abra President or Wokumase President were Yenase or Kwayenibi and to be our Kwayenibi Aquatia or Tumfo Huno and yet Diana was a small who's been passing who quas Aquatia Mammy. Yay! Will be a President John Dramani Mahama, aquatia, what you call so open so, your bundy boy was here. Aquatia. Whoso cray, I say, what take a course was Sasma says, Aquatia, a man, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. Yea. Na me appear be the cow, the Kasan sim with it, and I may get you. At Shakai, woman budgets and a budget so. One moment, TV that woman be an ebosso, a budget so way. Or take a course on small who's been who take. Nay, we are your president team, whatever be our name, what a course on a tear, or cook must be our coachia or pimsor, or cook must talk, or coachia or pimsor, or cook must go your program or coachia or pimsor, or cook a year affairs a rally or coachia or pimsor. Hey, or pimsor, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Or what to say? What I say? Say, be crying, corners what in catch a crown or pimsor for phone at the threat. His Excellency, 1 minute of the call. A year then was someone who should be passé, Quanaquatia, mammy. Come, Yadiacopo. Eh, may say one more Madri more, no Madri more, madam. Woman, I'm bet make a cassan sense, and we are now. I'm on my daddy. That's all Pim so small one pa, I was so back Canabanti. Or Pim so take a course when a cassian to say. Now I can't wait to more cocoon and one of them one be your puppets now. One not to throw, we say cat trosaka. Be everything, Obama Becca. And I said, say, I shall was maybe what 2 said that to mock him. But a moment go to any some of Kafa, you would John Dramani Mahama. Mama inti na bonso to mubonse wosume power your trofo.
And animated statements from you, Bishop, but let's come back and pick it. Somebody's face in the clouds shedding tears, and that's part of the reason why President Mahama may have spiritual difficulties, according to you.
My cocotie, dear, or kaka.
Na me peso obi abe challenge me.
Very powerful and animated statements from you, Bishop. But let's come back and pick it. Somebody's face in the clouds shedding tears. And that's part of the reason why President Mahama may have spiritual difficulties, according to you. The person who is in the clouds, is he a Ghanaian?
Ghanaian. Why Ghanaian?
Is he alive?
No.
He's dead?
Yes.
When people die, do they stay in the clouds and shed tears?
There were tokens and symbols. The American.
Muntie.
Na me peso obi abe challenge me. Nenkasa me nkwa na me man of God. But I'm telling you, Papa, can you believe, sir? God is my witness. Between 4 and 5, mintiminda.
4 a.m. and 5 a.m.
Yes. Mitimi su ema Ghana.
Why?
God is my witness.
Small one.
I'm in pain because onyankopon e wo pain mu. Ema Ghana for.
Because of what? Who has done what?
Papa, I'm telling you, sir. Bibi asi o man we say mu a. I'm surprised. Send me petimi yes ade no.
Is it murder? Is it what is it?
Onyankopon bu afu. Enu nti onyankopon bu fu so. Onyame bu afu na media me kasa so onyame prophet. Obi apon didi matema don't mind. Because mu didi matema me found because Jesus Christ we didi natem. Se Ghana fu onim no mu san ma John Mama be president bi ma enye me be sisi Ghana no obi antimi ntena Ghana. Mo pa mo date nto.
We ba just about there. I'm a patron Busha for you taste. Only you, my baby, so you taste. Busha for Mote, but Mote, you assume. But you cry, remember.
Well, these are strong words that you shouldn't be able to say.
Oh, but on your so I have to say it.
Platform like that. Because we're going into an election.
Papa?
You are one man of God out of 300 men of God. Mr. Mahama is a Christian.
Papa?
The president has been in churches. So to arrogate to yourself the right to tell us that God says don't elect President Mahama. You can talk about who the prophecy says will win, but now you are telling Ghanaians and even threatening Ghanaians not to elect President Mahama. That's partisan.
The reason...
Somebody, Paul, I don't want to catch you to say that is partisan. You are threatening Ghanaians not to vote for John Dramani Mahama. It's a criminal act. Owusu Bempah must be arrested and tell Ghanaians how His Excellency John Dramani Mahama allegedly killed Atamis. This guy must be arrested. Crime doesn't have any expiring date. Crime doesn't even have any expiring date. One year, what the moment here? Now the next video look right there. One we are, we be jati kura.
The reason I make us say, Onyankopon ebufui Josaphat, because Onyankopon so rejected Ahab and the wife Jezebel, because the moja woman left here some timer.
Are you likening that to something President Mahama has done?
Mekaba. Timer. Ahab. Onyankopon decided to be cool. Josaphat cause what help no. Konyami kum Josaphat. Obi anyame rejecting no yen help no yamwano.
In 2012, did you prophesy that President Mahama would win?
2012, Mekasa Nanado be win, but yam famano. I got court, but yam famano, and it came to pass.
Say that again. Nanado will win.
Nanado will win, but Omo Fama never could be a court and a sea.
So you said God knows about people becoming presidents, whether good way or bad way. So God anointed President Mahama to lead 2012.
And you know, anointed no. Any party me the Omo Oman Kasa self, yeah. Senka David Naho.
Swate, Paul, I don't want to say, any. Se sofo wakasa de na say Onyankopon na anointed President John Dramani Mahama Marita 2012. O say da bi Onyankopon anointed. This man hate President John Dramani Mahama with a passion. And I know just saw them say, I and above for Bikuta and above for Bikuta and Krante, Eja John Dramani Mahaman chain, and I Mrs. Bikuta and Krante, who should be Paugut and Krante, who could and Krante. And I didn't cut that here. And for me to come here, I mean, I'm a tattoo, so I'm a tattoo for me to come here. But killing me, and you go more pie day. Now, one granted, yeah, I go more pa. I go more so to winter boot to pass it, Omukumi. Now one gets one fan canter and kumio spiritual. Now MP physical. And one gets one fan canter and to chame spiritual and MP physical. Now come on pass it. So to winter boot and for moto ne cars and make him in coming. The Wookut and Granter, Eddie Ginas, Excellency John Dramani Mahaman chain, and Uncle Forte to Abrabon fan canter into Church with what? You are too for papa. Oh, we were for papa. Now, what you say, Messia, expose you. Miss, what would you won't cry now? Small one, baby, matamano. Would you young never gonna? So I won't must have now. 1 hour, okay, to what must unable.
And Uncle Wanya serious. Uncle Absalom, a baby David the Frinaconaso. Now, I Tophel, Emma Absalom advice.
Masakasa Majad Tuano.
Accurate. Emma, David who say, go in I tough. Warren Sampa were to recap Echo Mountain top of Bomb Pesser at the Brebu, the baby of the Neddy. Because I Tophel advice not the Amami but Absalom, the kingdom not baby yet. I read me your favorite, Bramubi, and when you meet Benny, and Tonyankopo Kosu. I Tophel, the advice and Kababua Absalom. Now, what near defeated David the Yinafunaconaso, when you remember, sir, advice me and Quasiasem, our Absalom Asun, and Mokoti and Qualasem. And when you meet you, sir, at the same David. Auntie Papa, may cannot cratch the gun of say. And you'll be on when you made the Netraconaso. Nipa beat me the woman Casa self. It me the Tracunia and Yamen Famos.
In 2008, did God anoint Professor Mills to win?
Mekai say, already be a many. Your 31st all night. And I mean, who say, Nana do could key. Or be a dono, the Muyasancophobia distracting attention. The Muyansa present at Tamils every Nechiako Radanum and a Mutoye. Make a saban, you better no more than once. And a copy a time. As for that, when you penny.
The Klaus crowd.
Hey.
Who's that?
Oh, Shubempa.
Make catch
When?
Who
has been?
And yes, Miss Rosa Macau.
Yeah, who has been chained? You said somebody's been chained.
I know, so I'll tell you.
Is that person alive or dead?
Oh, he's alive.
The one who has been chained?
Oh, and I'm Ghana had a beer.
He's an evil doer.
No. What come with Jebby? I'm on your
And
Yes,
he's
she
been
won't
chained.
be a deep moon. Or be wow, Edu Gina baby, Papa. You she and Moja and taking.
Hey,
I'm telling you.
I was a one. And Perifosi Kakum, Yajaquakum, Yako, the next video. So, when Nekofiado Maso acquire interview be. F.I. His Excellency John Dramani Mahaman, Yanko Tiana to some Rassia. Afi, if we are, me was be at my catcher, who's been Pana my catcher. Already, Yammy. Already tell me out here what? How about it? Hey! Hey. We say, why you so for change be our Ghana? We say, young in young one on us of Bia. What do you mean?
Onyankopo say Samuel.
I was young John watching me about it.
Free salt.
Me babe mammo. Maybe.
ɛsan aba ɛyɛ bɛmpa
na part 2 of the audios and the videos of Owusu Bempah saying a lot of things on President John Dramani Mahama. And this guy now says, one of the John Dramani Mahama better kunyaneso. Man be president. Mama yenti, one mama yinkokoti, ne yahwatem de dia wodi dia sofo a na mo tai Ewura John Dramani Mahama echi. Mama yinkokoti mra na ewie a mepon na masaba ewia.
Oh my final words. First of all, issues are about mienu. Yenim say oye osofo a obo mampani pa. Enti se yete se economy na ye den no. Efa bi ye physical enam expenditure na niema ministers dodo. Na ne fa ye spiritual so ye say say asofo a obo mampani mo mpa ye man of say kraman bi edi nenim. Vis-a-vis the fact is economy no unso aka say ahonhom enan bi ena womu edisa adwuma no ewo my Ghana mu no ena na ye di ho nkomo enti no obebo ne tofa wadwenche ene de obeka ewo ho na afi the final one Pentecostal Council for Chaupa omo che se pa na ye no be di nkomo che se Chaupa ne de enya de a wo bepa enti I think eno ho na wo a ye film from amonti no yensan mra na ye mra mewie ye nkomo no kra enti finally di asem ena wo ka
ayo economy no me feel say empaibo ene de betai o my Ghana chi ewiasim baby ayedin say the Bible ka say nane kwa wie bre mu odin beba ba ye ntimi mfa no so nka sese nti say bi economy no nko ya ma obi nka but ekwan a obefa so a obeka no ene wo se o ka ne yi untimi nkasa na Nando Dankwa Akufo-Addo ministers doso tina ama Ghana economy no ayedin debi if it's a time na ye man penny John Dramani Mahama tia konya no so na economy ni mu odin sa although say bi kura na ni ministers no so say ye man penny na Nando de no but still na economy ni na emu odin ni e complain na me de me catch Ghana for say e bi kura nke nyame adom ne ye man penny na Nando Dankwa Akufo-Addo nyame yi ni man na betena Ghana konya so ena nka ye o man pani bia wetwa mu koya ke bia nka Ghana kran kani pentiment na ha
samate de
etimi de meka ne se de agorato no ena ogro eno nti no pam no twa no yemfa mpa bonta e man pani na Nando Dankwa Akufo-Addo achi na me de me gitum se Ghana ebe koso yi
Obama man pani nti na o kan se ana senke
samate on the wagitum se obetwa president Mahama egusisi a obetwa nagu na Nando Dankwa Akufo-Addo baby obi anen kwaso wabeye bi nipa beye bi wameye ni nyina but let me tell you na Nando amamu no anye de te se de Owusu Bempah ka no se de Owusu Bempah ka se na Nando amamu beye de Ghana beye de Ghana beye se ayi no wo ne asichiri no me pa chaw aho kire ba Ghana no ebi kura si da e wona Nando penso na me minim se na Nando de ni mpanifo na amwa no na we akwa we udi akwa we achi awo MPP anim guase ne wo damfo ni na agina Owusu Bempah so me na me ka kire wo
NDC na waso anka asem kure ya na weka
se NDC na waso a se wo be hwe me pa ta me ma pani John Dramani Mahama tigana konya se 2 years first year ne second year opie no no ti Owusu Bempah se me ka bibi kura de afa na mamu ho even 3 years kura man ka bibi afa na mamu ho ya beto aba na mu ene de onyame yi kire me na me kan ye se sei ne mehu afa ya man pani John Dramani Mahama ho ma take no time no te konya so first 3 years ma nye ana me frel take no
share video ya me boy on was it suffer is not true share suffer please stop share video ya me boy September 16 September 2018 nobody can attacking John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, the former president. Nobody did a tembe so to be the president. Man, to abane mano. No one can as Owusu Bempah say 2018 say one attack His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I know papa we say one can okoresa. I know Owusu Bempah why you true for na one can okoresa. Wa attacking. But Kofi Addo mebusa no was say one attacking. I want to prove you guys something. What am I say? And now me yet 3 videos.
No, I think Obe be Muna.
Election time no. And I made a candy Yamiam who say Muja and someone can no pay.
But someone Papa.
Video me bo half, major half. Me the half of the bottom of the yakras out twice. A wiemu. A couple bears a 4 o'clock woman, and you mre ben nundu. The last one, Abana. Last one. We had the last one. A would jabut.
Samujano. Medium we maka. So people so me pa you. Give me na maka.
So what? Satamano or can say a moja. Ewa his SSC John Dramani Mahama in sound. And the Kufia Mabusan say a moja no a paper and I say and paper. And now who should be passe already the one who yano and waka. Say moja na paper, say moja na paper you. He doesn't know. And idea a day and who should be passe. After his SSC John Dramani Mahama on the better Akunyanaso. Nessa war who should be pa and I never turn Akunyanaso dia. And you are so for being a bomb pie and the man his Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And my moja would I was see one in Sahono a pie. I feel in Yakopo Dini too. When you pause in Yakopa market and say Kane. Now when you're missing moja one in San, want to be a president PM Ewa Ghana. And then Minoka say, why and a president Ewa Ghana. Nipa Usman Passe, ought to be a president PM or Sika or Kipunisika. Na onfesi kadinye bibi fufuro ma mama yesa obedi president na obi no beto aba na ma no if say wusu bempa ne kura Ghana fo nyina nsa e de koto aba enti wo se wunya president ya wunya wusu bempa kura yawo wo de bobete nsem pa ensem mo bete nsem e wo odi wesem ensem say his Excellency John Dramani Mahama e moja e wo ne nsa no. Kofia do ebusa say enti moja da pepa na sada so was won to menchire enti enei say his excellency abaya president dia hwan mo na bom pa ye man moja da pepa fe nsa no Emmanuel Hackman who checked and some fumbia wan ma me broke you wana wado free bonsam yankwai
se bredru ho na nyame san bi mani na me san hu amesa aka agi se me hu me hu dia meka enti media me say 2020 John Dramani Mahama will lose election no
or say contest you say court round
ya obregu ya woni senko betie masemo a ho anka be ya wontwa so nya say
manen kokra
papa me say ya man pani John Dramani Mahama ontumi ntranga na kunya so dase president
ade
Samate Emmanuel Hackman what who should be passe ye man panyini John Dramani Mahama ontumi nya president da bio e wo Ghana konya so fasasa no marketo wo de yan toaso
na mamwo so man pani no etwam sunsun bibia sai di ho ontumi nya president bio enye se me ena me kutia no so nya president bio mo hwe enkrofo mo kase John Dramani Mahama be win 2020 election no me hunu ani kro mo di hu ade ena me nim ekwa mo fa so hu ade Mike Man West brother ye to about 2020 ni wi a boasma me no okay media papa no me penasem chen krofo bi ofri so bo penasem pa media ye say wusu be mpa de ompe me John Dramani Mahama asem but me ya so betu sikagu no be say lose election me ya ko beti ni sika na ye bibi ama da che ne ma ene ne mamma atimi enya mfaso bi afri so obehwiegu me ka no kra che so nkrofo bebre ye ndisi fo a omunni pa say ye man panyi John Dramani Mahama obe lose election no they know it but ono na sika akwakodi no ho ntino mo ye ne yodium me ka no kra che no enti ame ya se badi ko bi ntimi hu sa ade no obompa ya ma John Dramani Mahama ana ndisi o
abusiafo hara ya me point no o se eye ne ya se badi ko bi ntimi hu sofo badi ko bi no kana asem no ti den time sofo badi ko bi mo sofo ahofe bishop se ko si apiamo wo mun na omani abre o magye giremu ana o mo bompa e ma his excellency say obesa ba power fi se o ma hu say the mind carries some potential e bi wo mu a o Ghana ho do o betra ko jare so obebo o man no Satan no usu bempe ehye nkom say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was kabia onfa nkoya bibi mfama ne ma ene na busua na ontumi metra Ghana akonya so bia mu da ene me no kase wana ye president enti aye den na wo na opesa obeje ni munyam say wo na wo bo mpa ye ma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be ye president e moja na wo so na say won nsaro no hwa mo ne bo mpa ye ma sa moja ni free ho e ma ne obe ye president odi ya wanga sa obete
Joso otimi hu na ko otimi tu omufo mi ridi ade bi minnim sai no kra de a e bia na nya no kra be go Ghana de obi kra timi boni tim bi be to social media so kra na nipa na nka sa efa ye nua ba Miss Bell minnimo e pamacho e bia na obi kra na aka hye na no ba sai no kra sa ba ya ne ka sa de nya ka ka sa ba na onim nyansa pa
Okay, say.
Ose konde obetu ya mampani John Dramani Mahama fo se be ya nkama onsan me contest bi.
Your opinion, Yanka, I think NDC impending for the back at the same thing, Professor Yanka.
Me crowd on the man, but Miss Bell, dear, na me hear YouTube, and I be who ye. But me name say, okay, be crowanka, as some no macandia to a buyer, so. Says Sadia, me sorry, say, may you sue Nassimi, na me de casa. But I no credit any buying on Nyansa pa. It's me, mum dear, met your man penny, John Dramani Mahama fo. Me penasem, mentano, but. So betima betra Ghana konya so bi mu no sunsun mani ho saa wo de 2020 abeto aba na wi Ghana fo nyina bi
swate o se yewura John Dramani Mahama se obetima sa aba betra konya so bi mu sunsun mu no eni ho saa untu meye president bio according to Owusu Bempa say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama entumi meye president bio menen sofu beduko biko kosia ewo bachuna total felicitation ana ono so sofu beduko bi ono obi a obunipa bia wo gi obi anwo sana susudi ana obi say apia biblika me ba no na abaya ya baba tu hu ni say nka che ni say aba no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be winning hands down but yena na kufa do omo fa de na ma no that is 2020 abato me catch will be straight to say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be winning hands down but omon faman and you see here the obobo abada electoral commission obobo abada ko how many times ontimi declare because onim ni mus prefer say yewura John Dramani Mahama e winning abano hands down. And now my figure for front, my figure for front, now I did my figure for front. All of you saw it on the social media. And people were questioning, say, a bin see or my muda, say, will be Yababa, I did tell you, say, I did tell you about a figure for front, I did tell you about a figure for front. Because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or winning. Now when I remember that someone said, I was so sabatrakunas. Now when I met Thomas Soman. Wasi Nyankopon wode ekokosie ansana wo yaba bechere to be catch somebody could be say obawini batia mfama na 2024 de obutwe mutane betene pa on baba power. That is my ways before God and man. And some of us here prophesy can say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama baba be dia konya no wo so be pa the letter part kwa na sana wo ba na kwa kweja say afide Onyankopon de akonyara sama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama because of nakuma papenti san time no na everybody Nyankopon odi emeba see you are still fighting your sis Nana Brown is winning souls for Jesus abane ko so anwini ma wo yeba yedi akire yeba
Nana do be mi to me kan okra kire wo hwe wonim papa
hwe abusiafo me ele video anopa ide me besia nyame adoma anwumere awiemu mesaba 4:00 ansana anwumere masaba me brana aye bre ena aye holiday e wo Ghana ena aye holiday e wo se me de me mba no epie kakra bi na ono so kokko kire kakra ai entino me besia na me ka kire kwa me amo se se umunim ho a omo sere Kwame amo Nana Krobia edu bechi ena efere say sa ba ko na pampam no ayi se dwata no wone efere say entasem sa ko jimi na nanim ase fufufu no ya to nkwa was bet after the NPP mafia him he came back and said Mahama will be back and said Mahama will be president. You know American, I don't American Musa. So as Wolu Masam say, his Excellency John Dramani Mahama to be the president da. Na would MPP who di boni di sim di nyema boni wo Ghana in the name of Menamide and MPP ba power. The same thing that person come here NDC and NDC for us for near that they say yen twema wo na twema wo tina. Emma won sa me say Menamide John Dramani Mahama betra konya no sunti na wudi nsem fo amayenka wudi nsem hu ama politifo nchew. Sa na otia tuturasam. Hwe say na won ne nkura ne tia bodi abo ba betu jama me abetrete bi say me omudo omo sa be keka me twam. Would you say me the man ba me the omo ba run about a friend say me the omo ba tete kwase run about more no me ba osisi a echekura by 2 o'clock na me wo mumra me bo me ho mumra me chira mo chira kwan mumra me de me ma e na ekọ me man kitenkete na me do mo ko mumra mo ho na mo humia mo fa masakeka me asiafo Abusia from Damasi, Yamin Shram. And Yaman made matem, Kwame Amo, any Tasem, any Nquasia for Mosuman, Omna me Dimomatem, Omna Yamwa, Chamwa, Mumudimatem, we may be Dimubia, Masakachem say, Saba security for Kakamu, or more Chedi. A boss, Ghana Saba security Yajuma, and a Saba security for many case I could do, or must say, Benin Baba one case in the docket Ayera, lie seriously. Miss Boba Fiaba. Siafo.